Welcome back to Jaginfo YouTube channel. Today you will gain the information about general knowledge questions and answers on chemistry. If you know the answer, pause the video and put the comment. Let's start the questions. Acids react with bases to give. Acids react with bases to give. Answer: salt. Next question. Plaster of Paris is made from. Plaster of Paris is made from. Answer: gypsum. Next question. Methane is present in the atmosphere of. Methane is present in the atmosphere of. Answer: Mars. Next question. The main component of honey is. The main component of honey is. Answer: fructose. Next question. Which acid is used in photography? The question is, which acid is used in photography? Answer: oxalic acid. Fertilizer having high nitrogen content is. The question is, fertilizer having high nitrogen content is. Answer: ammonium nitrate. Next question. The gas used for artificial fruit refining of green fruit is. Answer: ethylene. Next question. The longest wavelength. The longest wavelength. Answer: radio waves. Next question. Tritium is an isotope of. Answer: hydrogen. Next question. Methane was discovered by. Methane was discovered by. Answer: Yukawa. Next question. Smog is a combination of. Smog is a combination of. Answer: smoke and fog. Smoke and fog. Next question. The chemical name of quartz is. The chemical name of quartz is. Answer: sodium silicate. Next question. The highest percentage of carbon is found in which form of coal? Answer: anthracite. Next question. The elements in group 0 are called. The elements in group 0 are called. Answer: inert gases. Answer is inert gases. The mineral which helps blood clotting. Question is, the mineral which helps blood clotting. Answer: calcium. Next question. The horizontal line in modern periodic table is called. The horizontal line in modern periodic table is called. Answer: period. Next question. The maximum numbers of electrons on a principal shell is. The maximum number of electrons on a principal shell is. Answer: 2n square. Next question. Chemical name of picric acid is. Answer: trinitrophenol. Next question. Dash is known as laughing gas. Answer: N2O. Next question. Which material is used in making of safety matches? Which material is used in making of safety matches? Answer: red phosphorus. Answer is red phosphorus. Next question. Nail polish remover contains. Answer: acetone. Next question. Which acid is present in orange? Answer is citric acid. Next question. Lead pencil contains. Answer: graphite. Next question. Which gas is used in filling electric bulbs? Which gas is used in filling electric bulbs? Answer. Argon. Answer is argon. Next question. Lightest metal. Which is the lightest metal? Answer. Lithium. Next question. Acid rain is due to air pollution by. Answer. Nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Next question. Ozone is diamagnetic. Next question. Petroleum is found in. Answer. Sedimentary rocks. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher? Answer. Carbon dioxide. The most abundantly occurring element in the earth crust is. The most abundantly occurring element in the earth crust is. Answer. Oxygen. Next question. Which is the major constituent of soda lime glass? Answer. Calcium oxide. Next question. How many atoms are present in one molecule of ozone? How many atoms are present in one molecule of ozone? Answer. 3. Next question. Which metal is responsible for Ittai disease? Answer. Cadmium. Next question. Which metal remains in the liquid form under normal conditions? Question. Which metal remains in the liquid form under normal conditions? Answer. Mercury. Next question. Acetylsalicylic acid is commonly used as. Answer. A painkiller. Next question. Which metal is commonly used for making an electromagnet? Answer. Iron. Next question. The gas that is responsible for global warming is. Which gas that is responsible for global warming is? Answer. Carbon dioxide. What is the main constituent of coal gas? What is the main constituent of coal gas? Answer. Methane. Next question. What are rubies and sapphires chemically known as? Answer. Aluminium oxide. Next question. Which synthetic fiber is known as artificial silk? Which synthetic fiber is known as artificial silk? Answer. Rayon. The reaction between methane and chlorine in diffused sunlight is. The reaction between methane and chlorine in diffused sunlight is. Answer. Substitution. Radon is an inert gas. Which gas is used in cigarette lighters? Which gas is used in cigarette lighters? Answer. Butane. Next question. Main ore of mercury is. Answer. Cinnabar. Next question. Which acid is used in soft drinks? Which acid is used in soft drinks? Answer. Carbonic acid. H2CO3. Carbonic acid. H2CO3. Next question. Excel is made up of. Excel is made up of calcium carbonate. Next question. Chemical used as fixer in photography is. Which chemical used as fixer in photography? Sodium thiosulfate. Dash is known as artificial silk. Answer. Rayon. Water soluble vitamins. B and C vitamins are water soluble. Next question. Paper is chemically dash. Cellulose. Next question. Which agent is as seed in artificial rain? Which agent is as seed in artificial rain? Silver. Next question. Fat soluble vitamins. What are the fat soluble vitamins? A, D, E and K. Vitamin A, D, E and K are fat soluble vitamins. Tube light is filled with. Tube light is filled with. Answer. Mercury vapor and argon. Common preservative in food processing industry is. Common preservative in food processing industry is. Answer. Benzoic acid. What is used to avoid melting of ice? What is used to avoid melting of ice? Answer. Gelatin. Next question. Gases used in welding are. Which gases used in welding? Answer. Acetylene and oxygen. Next question. Gases used by sea divers for breathing are. Which gases used by sea divers for breathing? Answer. Oxygen and helium. Carbon occur in the nature in the purest form as. Carbon occur in the nature in the purest form as diamond. Best sources for vitamin D are sunlight and fish liver. Sunlight and fish liver are the best sources for vitamin D. Next question. Oxidation is defined as. Answer. Loss of electrons. Next question. Zinc phosphide is used as. Zinc phosphide is used as. Answer. Rat poison. Next question. In nuclear reactor, chain reaction is controlled by using cadmium rod. Next question. Fuse wire is made up of. Fuse wire is made up of lead and tin. Next question. The radioactive element most commonly detected in humans is. The radioactive element most commonly detected in humans is. Answer. Potassium 40. Next question. Purest form of iron is. Purest form of iron is. Answer. Wrought iron. Dash is also known as stranger gas. Dash is also known as stranger gas. Answer. Xenon. Radium is extracted from. Radium is extracted from. Answer. Pitchblende. Which is known as metal of future. Which is known as metal of future. Answer. Titanium. Oxides of metals are. Oxides of metals are. Answer. Alkaline. Which acid is used for etching glass? Which acid is used for etching glass? Answer. Hydrofluoric acid. Hydrofluoric acid. Next question. Dash metal is liquid at room temperature. Dash metal is liquid at room temperature. Answer. Gallium. Next question. Dash is used to prepare fireproof and waterproof clothes. Dash is used to prepare fireproof and waterproof cloths. Answer. Calcium hydride. Non-stick coating is utensils is off. Non-stick coating in utensils is off. Answer. Teflon. Gases used for refining rough roads. Answer. ethylene and acetylene. Next question. Galvanized iron is coated with. Answer: zinc. Chemical name of chromic acid is. Chemical name of chromic acid is. Answer: chromium trioxide. Next question. Which metal is used in photoelectric cell? Which metal is used in photoelectric cell? Answer: selenium. Barium hydroxide is also known as. Barium hydroxide is also known as. Answer: baryta water. Answer: baryta water. Next question. Dash elements are non-metal. Which elements are non-metal? Electronegative. Next question. Dash is known as heavy water and used in nuclear reactor as moderator. Dieldrum oxide is known as heavy water and used in nuclear reactor as moderator. Next question. Ozone is dash of oxygen. Answer: allotrope. Next question. Ammonia NH3 is synthesized through Haber's process. Next question. All noble gases are colorless and odorless. Chlorine is used to prepare insecticides, herbicides. Chlorine is used to prepare insecticides, herbicides. Next question. Substance used in cancer treatment. Answer: cobalt 60. Next question. Cobalt is found in vitamin B12. Cobalt is found in vitamin B12. Next question. Iron is extracted from which ore? Answer: hematite. Next question. Aluminium is extracted from which ore? Bauxite. Chemical name of washing soda is. Answer: sodium carbonate. Next question. Which gas is responsible for the swelling of bread? Which gas is responsible for the swelling of bread? Answer: carbon dioxide. Hydrogen bomb is based on the principle of. Hydrogen bomb is based on the principle of nuclear fusion. Platinum is also called white gold. Balloons are filled with helium. Next question. The element common to all acids is. Hydrogen. Next question. Nail polish remover contains. Acetone. Next question. Which catalyst is used for the synthesis of vanaspati ghee? Which catalyst is used for the synthesis of vanaspati ghee? Answer: nickel. Chloroform in sunlight forms poisonous gas. Fuzzing. Vinegar is an aqueous solution of acetic acid. Next question. The metal used to recover copper from a solution of copper sulfate is. The metal used to recover copper from a solution of copper sulfate is. Answer: iron. The most commonly used bleaching agent is. Answer: chlorine. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. Watch more videos.